Hi, it's Mandy Napier from Mindset for Success with today's Mindset Matters. Now, I had my workshop today, which was Focus for Results. So we were discussing ways of keeping more focused in a world of distraction. Now, the energy of the mind is attention. So what we focus on is really critical to our results. And one of the things we were talking about with this morning is setting daily rituals and routines and disciplines in our life. Because really that's what daily rituals are, and planning and setting an intention, doing our gratitudes. And the thing is, we have different meanings around words. And I know many years ago, I used to hate the word discipline. It reminded me of school. Yet, interestingly, today, discipline, and if you think about this in your life, the discipline of doing the things that are necessary are the key to freedom. So we were talking about polar opposites, because everything in life has a polar opposite. Every decision we make, there is a cost. Every one perspective that we see a problem or a challenge, there's an equal and opposite on the other side. Every decision we make means that we let something go and there is a cost, but there is an equal and opposite force the other side. So when we were talking about challenges and how to help ourselves do the things that are necessary, we were talking about seeing the things we can't see, having a look at the opposite of the perspective that you're viewing something through. So discipline, it may instantly conjure up things that are hard, and our brain will automatically move away from pain and towards pleasure. So the key is to explain to yourself why discipline actually will give you more freedom, and why you want the freedom and what that will give for you. So when you get stuck on a concept or a problem or a challenge, or something seems too hard, see if you can creatively think what the polar opposite is, the benefit, the other side of the equation, and that may help you move forward, and it may help you refocus and get that task done that you want. So have a look at polar opposites of words and meanings, and I'd be really interested to find out what your take on the word discipline is. Is it a positive? Does it bring up instant hard work or tedium, or have you actually inbuilt and programmed that by being disciplined is the key to your freedom or to achieving the results that you need? So I'd love to hear from you. It's Mandy with today's Mindset Matters from Mindset for Success.